Unit number 3, that is Java Fundamentals of Object-Oriented Programming, Part 2. In this part, we are going to see some more details of Java programming. First of all, we'll see different keywords used in Java. Here is a list of different keywords used in Java, that is abstract, continue, for, new, switch, default, etc. etc. These keywords cannot be used for writing the name of the class or writing any name of function, or you cannot use it for declaring any variable. These are keywords which are has certain meaning in Java programming. Therefore, you cannot use for creating class, function, or any variable. Now we'll see, as we have seen in C++ or C language, the same we have different data types in Java, that is primitive and non-primitive data types. In primitive, we have Boolean, numeric. Numeric, it has character or integers or floating numbers, that is byte, short, integer, long, float, double, etc. In non-primitive types, we have string, array, etc. The table shows the width of each and every data type used in Java. For byte, it is having the width of 8-bit, integer, it has 32-bit, and float also has 32-bit width. Now we'll see the different operators in Java programming. The same what we have in C or C++. We have arithmetic operators, that is addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, increment, decrement, etc. Relational operators we have is equal to, not equal to, greater than equal to, less than equal to, etc. In Boolean or logical operators we have AND, logical OR, logical XOR, logical AND, not, etc. etc. Now we'll see the use of these operators in Java programming. Here I've written one class which is known as Arithmetic Operator Demo. In the same class I have written the main function. In main I have written to display performing arithmetic operations, I have used system.out.println. Afterwards, I have declared two variables of integer type, that is a is equal to 10 and b is equal to 20, and one more variable of integer type as c. Afterwards, I have printed the value of a and b by using system.out.println. And afterwards I have added the variable a and b, and the result is stored into c variable. Now I am displaying the value of c variable by using system.out.println. The addition of two numbers is shown below. Afterwards I have performing subtraction of a minus b, and the result again is stored into c, and again I am displaying the value of c. And afterwards I have performed multiplication and addition between a and b, and the result is stored into c, and the values of c are displayed on the output console. Hence we can see the value of c variable is continuously changing, and hence we have performed the addition, multiplication, division, which are simple arithmetic operators in Java programming. We'll see one more example, that is use of relational operators in Java. Here I have created one class which is called as relation operator demo, in which I have written the main function, and in main I have written system.out.println performing relation operations. Again I have declared three different variables of integer type, A is equal to 10, B is equal to 20, and C is equal to 10. And I've displayed the value of A and B variable by using system.out.println. Therefore, the console displays A is equal to 10 and B is equal to 20. Afterwards, I've printed the value which is bigger than, if A is bigger or B is bigger. I've used compare I've done the comparison between A and B, and if A is smaller than B, then it should give the output as true. Therefore, in the next line we can see system.println the A is less than B is, and here we are comparing the two variables, and therefore if it is true, the output shows true. Next, system.out.println shows A is greater than B. As you know that A is not greater than B, hence the output is false. In the next line, we are comparing A and C. We can see A is also 10 and C is also 10. Therefore, the condition is true, hence it shows true. Next, we have used a relation operator, that is A is less than equal to B. We know the value of A is 10 and B is 20. Therefore, the condition is true. Therefore, the output shows true. Again, in the next line, we are displaying the condition as A is greater than or equal to C. Again, this condition is true because both A and C have same values of, that is 10. In the last line we have written, that is A is not equal to B, and this condition is also true because A is 10 and B is 20. Therefore, A is not equal to B. Therefore, the output is true, which is displayed on the output console. Hence, in this program we have used different relational operators in Java. Thank you. We'll see unit number 3,